Hello, in this video we will discuss how we can enable table. This is set of data in front of you. So if we want to do formatting based on table, first of all we have to change this data into tables, and then I will tell you how we can disable the table. Because enabling the table is easy, but disabling sometime you don't find the option how to do it. Let's start. First of all, select this table plus this data, and in the home tab, format as table. These are the options. Okay, you can select anyone. Otherwise, there is another option. You click, you select the data, and then press Control T. Control T. This window will appear. Okay, and you can see the heading. My table has headings, so we have headings: name, location, grade. When you will check it, so automatically the first top row will be considered as headings. Press OK. Now you can see the table heading. A table is created with this drop down button. Okay, now I'll tell you how we can disable the table, because if you will click and try to delete, it will not happen. Just click anywhere on the table, right click, and then the table option. Okay, convert to range. Press this. It will ask permission. Do you want to convert table to a normal range? Yes. So the table is finished.